Hey, it's Aran here. Welcome to a template release from arantemplates.com, and this is a sales page template using Systeme.io, and I wanted to show you a little bit of what it looks like. So first of all, is the compelling headline at the top, a little bit of a menu up here, and then here you'll see like a little video that you can add as well. Let me know if this is you, which is kind of to talk about the ideal customer or who you're referring to. Giving them a little bit of a future pacing, like imagine XYZ result and being able to be in a certain state. Introducing the program that you want to sell. Highlighting who the program is for specifically, really talk to your ideal customer. What the clients are saying, which is a little testimonial section. What's inside the program, a little recap. A little peek inside the modules, so it's a little bit more detailed breakdown. A little bit about who you are, the name of the program and whether it's right for them, who it's for, who it's not for, giving them an option for payment options, and a final appeal to sign up plus FAQs. So this entire template was created on Systeme.io. It is optimized for conversions and is specifically to help you sell your information product, whether it's an online course, membership, or coaching program as well. That could also be customized based on that. So it doesn't have to just be modules, but primarily for some sort of information product. Now, in terms of how it's packaged together, you'll get the sales page. You'll also get the actual order form, which is kind of optimized as well, and similar branding. You'll be able to customize all the colors and so on and so forth. And you'll also get a post-purchase confirmation thank you page, which includes a tutorial from me on how to create a thank you video, which is I'm a big fan of, some call to action, and also a lead generation template here to get people to share your content. So all of that is going to be included as part of this template, and I'm going to turn it over to my Systeme.io template designer, who's going to share her screen and show you how to customize this entire template from A to Z.
Thank you for downloading what we've called the Business Coach Template. Coaches, this template is ideal for you, particularly if you have a program to sell. Okay, so what I'm going to do is give you an overview of the template and show you one or two places where you can change the template to suit your brand identity. All right, so this is the hero, what we've called the hero section. And on here, you put in compelling large headline, a powerful hook statement describing the clear outcomes of your program, what to expect from your program. Got your call to action. And let me show you, we're going to also have included in this training the Canva template. And in the Canva template, I've included the palettes, the color palettes. Click on there. You can see the link to the color palettes, which if you go to the link, there you are. We've used colors.co. And this is the color palette we've used for that template. Okay, now you can change this color palette to suit you, to suit your brand identity as mentioned. Now, in terms of the background, which is there, we've included that background for you as well. We've also included another background in case you want to change the one we have provided for you. Okay, now this image, include the image, is this one. Okay, so you've got the image. In fact, the size for that image is 916 by 1000 pixels. Okay, all right. So moving on to the next section, another headline should go here. A brief, put on here your copy, a brief sentence to emphasize again why your program is important. What results are they supposed to get? And it's sometimes, I think videos are good, make a good connection to your prospects. So I encourage you to put a video here. If we look at the back end of Systeme for this template, this video here is it's an uploaded file. And if you upload a video, you have a chance in Systeme to put in a thumbnail image file, which we have done, which is, the thumbnail is here. Okay, so you've got the thumbnail background and we've got an icon on here to say it's a video. So for you, you could upload a file and put in a thumbnail, or you could put in a direct link. So that is maybe the link to YouTube and what have you, a custom member, right? So that's that section. And the next section is let me know if it is you or if this is you. So in other words, about 3 to 6 bullet points outlining your ideal clients' most important pain points or desired results. So what their issue is, because you want to highlight what their issue is so that they can see that actually if this is you, this program is meant for you. So in terms of this graphic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we've provided that for you as well, which is in here. All right, so we provided that for you as well. Let me just quickly show you how you can change in case you want to change the color to suit your brand identity. What you just need to do, for example, is select the box let's say, sorry, the circle rather. Let's say you want to change the circle to another color. Say you want to change it to, I don't know, purple. I don't know. So you do that, and then share, download, PNG, transparent background. And you want to download page 3. Okay, so done. So download. Now, when it downloads, select it. I've got a Mac, so I'm working from a Mac. And what I can do is, when I select the image, I can crop out that graphic. Yeah, so I can crop out that graphic. Okay, so edit, cut, file, new from clipboard, and that's the graphic here. So if I call that save, okay, and I save it, let's say it has 1. Okay, save. So on system, backend, select that image, then upload the one we have just saved. So that's that one. Insert. Voila. All right, as simple as that. Okay, cool. Okay, so that's that section. Now you will notice the line on here. We actually have CSS code. Very simple, very simple. So we have the CSS code on here. All right, so raw HTML, edit code, and on here there's a comment that shows you what exactly each CSS is doing. So for example, on here we have that the row, the border left is this color. Okay, and for that particular row, it's a solid white color. So in our case, for this row, yeah, this row here, this border, this left border is that color, which is this one. All right, so if you want to change the color of that border, just know what the hex code is and include the hex code here. Okay, cool. So next image, we've provided that for you, which is here. All right, so again, it is a 1033 by 1315 pixels. Okay, and for this one, in terms of getting this color of a line, we go to the editor, the back end. Let's go to that section, which is here. All we've just done again is CSS. Pretty straightforward, because on system you don't have the ability yet to indicate the color of the text. So what we can do is on the CSS code on here, and there's a comment to explain it to you. We need bottom border, width, style, and color of text boxes. All right, and this is it. This is it. So just look for the text ID, and that's the color. Okay, good stuff. So next, introduce the name of program. That image is, we've provided that image for you, which is, I'll close that one down, right, to make it easy. So there we go, which is this one. Okay, so just upload it to, or upload whatever image that you have. That's the name of your program. Highlight who this program is for, your different avatars. So it's for what our client's saying. This element here is a system element, and all we've just done is put in color of the border, which you can change on system. And in terms of this line on here, again, very similar to what I said earlier. That's it. So border left, and that's the text, and you can change the hex code on here. Okay, this image provided for you, which is here. All right, what else do I emphasize? I've talked about the borders. I've provided an image for you, which is here. Okay, that's that one, and a different, how much it is, yeah, and a final section to appeal to why people need the program. Then you've got FAQs. We use the FAQ elements on there. Okay, and we have your board, your footer. So in terms of the menu, this anchors to a section. So for example, if I select about me, it anchors to about me section of the page. And I will show you how that is done. So if you go to about me, which is here, okay, so what we've done here is we have put in a code. So div ID is about me, yeah, and so you put in this code, yeah, and we put in this code. When you go to the menu, and highlight where you want the link. So this about me, you highlight on here where you want that link to take you to. All you just need to put is hash about me, and it will anchor you to that div, anchor you to that part of the page. The same thing for program. So on program, so you put in the div on here as well, edit code, there we go. So it's called program. So on the menu there, so whenever you select program, you put hash program, and it will anchor you to that part of the page, which we have done here. So program anchors you to that part of the page. Okay, another page that we have provided is the contact me page. So select contact me, and we get onto the contact me page. You've got this image already. You can change the colors to suit your brand, and also you can put in links, social media links. If you want to change the color of the icon, very similar to what I did for that, changing the graphics. Yeah, very similar. Okay, what else is on the contact me page that is worth highlighting? So for you can put in the links on here. So if I go, I don't want to save changes now. Nope. Okay, so if I go to the contacts page, edit it. Yeah, so for you can select Facebook, for example, and then put in your link to Facebook. I always say ensure you select open in a new window, so that it opens whenever they select the Facebook icon. It opens in a new window, and your funnel or your website is still open. You don't lose it, so you have that still open. Okay, so yeah, so that is the business coach template. I hope that's been useful for you. You can change it to suit your brand, change it to suit your brand identity, and add all the necessary copy to suit your needs. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help. Thank you.
Okay, great. So I hope you got value from this tutorial and made things a bit easier. I did want to also share a couple other options on how to make it easier to customize certain things. So you'll see that here there is the about, and then there's the program, which you can click and it will scroll down. And now the way she did it is by adding a certain code here. Now there's another tutorial that I'm going to leave either somewhere around here, this video, or somewhere below, where I'm going to show how to use an anchor section in Systeme, which might be a little bit more user-friendly, doesn't require any coding as well. So that's just something, a little add-on I wanted to add in addition to the tutorial from my template designer, who did a great job. And that's just going to make your life maybe a little bit easier depending on how you want to do this. Make sure you also change the links as well, here and here. And yeah, that's about it. If you're watching this video on my YouTube channel and you're not part of the Templates and Coaching membership, then you can check out the membership. The link is going to be in the description or somewhere around here. You may be able to buy this template as a standalone as well, depending on where you're watching this video. So you can check it out, the link in the description. And yeah, that's about it. Also in the description you'll actually see links to each one of these pages, so you can actually see what this looks like, so you can not just see it on the screen here, but actually see it on your desktop computer. That's about it. Thanks a lot for watching. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and turn on notifications so you can see other future template releases from aroundtemplates.com. That's about it. Thanks a lot. Speak to you soon.